We have an Excel file of capitals of US states, and we also have the latitude and longitude of each capital. The file is in CSV format. In this tutorial, we will see how we can convert those tables to a point feature class in ArcGIS Pro. So let's see how to do that. First, go to the Map tab. Then in the Layer section, click on Add Data, and from Add Data, points from table to XY table to point. You can also click on this one. In the first input table field, we need to show the file. We have it in CSV format. Let's click on this and OK. And for the output field class, let's rename it capital points, and X field is longitude and Y field is latitude. Those are automatically selected in our data. If your name is different, you need to manually select the latitude and longitude, and we will use the coordinate system GCS WGS 1984 since the data, the X field and Y field is in latitude and longitude. But if you have any UTM or other projection, you need to select the correct coordinate system for your data. Now let's click on this Run button. The point feature class is completed. Let's close this. Let's change the symbology for better visualization.